Dear students, today we are going to discuss why should we learn chemistry. We should learn chemistry because everything in this universe is a chemical substance and we use several things in our daily life. All those things are generally chemical substances. So in our life, chemistry plays a vital role. So from early morning to evening, we use so many chemical substances. Even in sleep also we use some chemical substances. So suppose in the early morning if you go for brushing, during brushing we use so many chemicals like toothbrush, toothpaste. This toothbrush is made from polyethylene or polypropylene, whereas the toothpaste consists of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. And the bristles, these bristles are made from nylon 66 material. So all these are the chemical substances. So during brushing we are using so many chemical substances. So after having brush we go for bathing. So during bathing we use water. This water is also one of the chemical substance, water. And we use soap. The soap is nothing but sodium salt of higher fatty acid. The sodium salts of higher fatty acids are called soaps. So we use soap and water. So these also chemical substances. So after bathing we go for either breakfast or lunch or dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So in breakfast, lunch or dinner we use mostly carbohydrates. So these carbohydrates are also chemical substances. So generally these carbohydrates gives instant energy. So along with carbohydrates we use some proteins, vitamins and minerals. So all these are the chemical substances. We use carbohydrates. The carbohydrates have general formula CxH2O whole Y, and we use proteins. These proteins are nothing but combination of amino acids. So number of amino acids combine to form proteins. And these vitamins are nothing but micronutrients. So these micronutrients consist of some metals like iron, magnesium, copper. So likewise, so minerals, these minerals also consist of copper, iron, magnesium. So that's why all these are the chemical substances. So suppose after completion of breakfast we go for our work. We go for our work. So we go for our work on bicycle or any vehicle or car or bike. So that is made up of iron. This iron is also one of the chemical substance. In this way, in our daily life we use so many chemicals. In sleeping also we use some chemical substances. So that is, we use oxygen gas, O2, oxygen gas for respiration. For respiration process we use oxygen gas, that is also one of the chemical substance. So in this way we use so many chemicals in our daily life. So that's why we should learn chemistry. So by knowing chemistry we can save money. So by knowing chemistry you can save money. So how can you save money by knowing chemistry? So let us discuss how can you save money by knowing chemistry. So suppose if you know chemistry, you can obtain some things in market at lowest cost. Suppose if you know baking soda, you take baking soda and baking powder. These two are the chemical substances. So baking soda generally used in cooking items. So suppose baking powder, if you take baking powder, that baking powder is used in making cakes. So baking soda means it is sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Baking powder means it is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and some acid. So generally this acid is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. So sodium bicarbonate generally it exhibits basic nature. So by direct consumption of this sodium bicarbonate, it produces some basicity in the stomach. So that's why we have to reduce the basic character by adding an acid that is called baking powder. So baking powder can be prepared by adding small amount of acid to sodium bicarbonate. So it reduces basicity in the intestine. So generally the acid is tartaric acid. So the tartaric acid is generally present in tamarind. So suppose if we add sodium bicarbonate with tamarind juice, then we can prepare baking powder. Or tamarind juice or any lemon juice, we can add lemon juice also. So we can prepare easily baking powder at our home. So the cost of baking soda is very less when compared with the cost of baking powder. So if you take baking soda, by adding this baking soda with tartaric acid or lemon juice, we can prepare baking powder. So in this way we can get baking powder at lowest cost. And suppose if you take some medicines are obtained in several brand names. Medicines are obtained in several brand names. Different brands will have different prices. Some brands will have high price, some brand will have low price, but the composition is same. If you know the composition of the drug, if you know the composition of the drug, that is composition means chemical constitutions. Chemical constitutions. If you know the chemical constitutions of the drug or medicine, we can select the suitable drug which has low cost. Different brand names will have different prices, but those two brand names will have same chemical constitutions or same chemical composition. If the chemical composition is same, that can be suitable for the particular curative action. So that's why we can select any one of the brand which is under lowest price. So in this way in market we can select or we can get anything at lowest cost by knowing chemistry. So that's why this chemistry plays a vital role in our daily life. So that's why we should learn chemistry. Thank you. Like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.